Skype, we will not get the record section, Already I did the recording, but I don't know the recording section will not we will get that. I'm not
Mhm.
expecting, yes.
There is a one app more. The app
So,
name is Stream. So the people you can say are not able to record the session. So it is so difficult, and we are facing some problem. That's why I
which
have
app, sir?
you.
Zoho
Teams
app,
app,
right? Oh, Teams
Teams
app.
app.
Yes. I used to use using the app, but I don't know. So that is typically to creating video or so everything handling, right?
I installed Teams app, but you can say it is not showing recording option. So I am not able to record
Okay.
using Teams app. Only I am
But
using.
if you, yeah. But still, you are every day you are posted lot of videos, sir. How do you do, like creating video? Because Skype having some issue, still you are posted that continuously. So I think so.
Believe in me, nowadays I'm not posting everyday video on my channel because I'm not getting the
Okay.
people. Earlier, I was getting lots of people. Okay,
Mhm. Yeah.
but nowadays I'm not getting people. Okay,
Why, sir?
because
Why not you are getting people? You don't get more time to getting connecting people, or what is the reason behind that?
this app Skype. I'm talking about a Skype. Skype
Yes.
is is about to closed. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I also heard about that, but I'm not sure how long will it take to close up that.
record we record
Yes.
we record session, okay, and after recording,
Yeah.
okay, we don't get recording, okay.
Okay.
So
We don't get the videos, right?
people are facing this kind of problem. That's why lots of
Okay.
people have left to learn English, have left to make video. That's why
Yeah.
earlier they
Okay.
have no
Sir,
problem.
yes. Sir, did you posted the last video, sir? Did you posted your channel? Last video when you created the video? That one?
Yes, I posted. Didn't you watch?
Wo- No, I watched in my mobile, which you said me earlier. So what happens, when I created my channel, sir, I'm not able to make more than because I am trying to post it my in that video, but I am unable to do that because if you're showing the video, length is too much high. That's why I am not
Mhm.
aware it, sir, because I'm using UIT Studio, as you know.
And if you want to upload on your channel, then you can upload, no
Yes,
problem.
I'm trying to do that, but unable to, while trying to upload the video, 3 times I tried it, but unable to, store the video over there, right? So that's why I'm saying for that.
You tried for 3 times. After that, you are not able to upload. Why?
No, no, I don't know. Maybe because they're showing no, because I'm created, might be no YouTube studio, right, sir? So
Okay.
because while I go to the studio and uploading my video, so I'm unable to do that because they're showing no, the video length is too much high. That's why. Is there anything length is needed to setting that? Like asking for if you have more than MB,
Okay.
you're not
Okay.
able to.
Okay. So, can how many MB are you getting in a day to use?
Oh, which one, sir?
GB.
I'm not getting you exactly, sir. What you're trying to say.
To get your mobile recharge in a month. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
How many GB are you using in a day?
Oh, 2 GB, 2 GB per day.
Okay, 2 GB. It is enough for your
Yeah.
uploading. No problem.
Yes,
It is
yes. Yes, 2 GB for daily basis. I'm using 2 GB data. Today I get 4 GB data, sir.
okay. Okay.
Yes,
But I
very happy, sir.
am not able to upload.
Yeah. Sir,
So you
really, you are a nice, doing good job. Every day you are
have,
smiling and helping too.
we have to check it. We have to check it. We have to check it. Definitely, you can upload. No problem.
But because I don't know, Otherwise, I can give you, suggesting you can do checking my side for what is that.
Friday today, so are you on the leave?
Oh no, actually today I took leave, 2 days I took leave for office. So that's why it's totally free of, reserving time, spending with the friend, colleagues are watching some videos like that.
Okay, and tell me what you cooked today.
Oh my God. Nowadays nobody is with me. So in my friends, they moved to my hometown. They went to their hometown. I'm alone here. So in early morning I prepared for rice, fish curry, and dal fry. That's enough for me. Having
So
that this.
nowadays, are you alone?
Yeah, right now I'm alone. Hearing.
Mm.
That's it.
And your friend, they have all gone. They have all gone. Can
Yes,
say,
yes.
uh,
Yes.
village, huh?
They will come after a few days, yes. Because one more friend is going to marry. That's why they're waiting for his marriage. So that's why, sir. They will move to here after 2 days. We can
Mm-hmm.
say.
So when have they gone?
Oh, they already left for 20 days earlier before that.
Mm.
They
Okay,
went before 20 days.
they are about to come, huh?
Yeah, about to come after next week. I hope probably they might be come.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
And they
Today you
are
free, right?
bound, they are bound to come. They are
Yes,
bound,
yes.
right?
They are bound to come because the company will not be give them for longer to leave, right? As you know, because we are
Right, right,
working in corporate sector, the company won't allow to take too long leave. That's the reason.
right. We are labor, without doing work, we can't survive in the line, right?
Yes, yes, sir. You are too much
Somehow,
happy. Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
If you don't have money, then people will not respect you. Okay.
No surviving. Nobody can talk with you, sir. If you don't have money, you don't have desire to learning things.
Yeah, you are
Yeah,
tall,
definitely.
you are black, doesn't matter. But if you have money,
No,
that
no.
you have a small,
Yes.
you are black. But
Yes.
if you have money, the lots of people will
Yeah.
respect you, right?
Yes, sir.
And they will
Exactly,
say,
sir.
oh, Naran is a good person because he
Mm.
has money.
Yes, yes, yes. People does not love to the human heart. They love to their money. Instead of humanity. So that's the reason everyone does like this.
Right. So money
Yes.
is a most, powerful.
Yes, money is important rather than other things, right? Without money, you can't survive. Without money, you can't judge anything. Without money, you can't, work even though. If you want to go outside, it is necessary to take something money to the traveling or whatever needed to go somewhere else, right?
Yeah, without
Yes.
money, we can say we can die, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Suppose
Lot.
I'm giving you one example that suppose you are going to somewhere to earn money, and if you don't have
Yeah.
ticket, you have to purchase your ticket. Okay, if you don't have money,
Yeah.
then without money you can't go one place to other place. No.
No, no, nobody can help you. If you go there and ask to someone, no, nobody can. They were trying to ego you. They ignore you. Everything they does like
Mhm. And
money
they
nowadays. Money is everything. Yes.
yeah they judge you as a you can say very destroy person.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Everyone does like if you
And
have good
just
money, so people will start raising you.
you left your village, you have left your village, and as well as I left also village just because of money. you know I
Yes,
have,
yes.
and I am surviving without family just because I need
Yes,
money.
yes. Side by yes, 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 sir. Because you are doing a job. Because of that, you can survive your family as well. So that's the reason you are here to leaving your family. You sacrifice everything. You are alone here to getting something beyond your life. Take care of your family, everything. So
Right, right, definitely. Whatever I am struggling for my family.
Exactly, because you have four kids, that's very typical challenging to manage them because they are very smallest one, they are going to school, college, whoever that. It's very critical scenario to take care to four kids. It's not quite easy for them. One kid is not easy, because you have four kids, it's crucial thing to managing. You have to spend a lot of money towards their study, their education, towards their, fooding, expensive, clothing, everything. You have to start a lot of money. Otherwise, they can survive their personal life as well. Yes.
Yeah, when I was in India, so I was
Yeah.
at that time I was not thinking about my future. But when I left
Okay.
India and I came to Kuwait after coming, I
Yes.
realized, my God, what is the life
Yes,
like?
you can surviving. You can start a hard working over there. After that,
Mm,
you have some keeping, some knowledge or keeping some idea about like what should we do for further, because nobody with me. So what should I do? How can I get money or how can I survive? Everything you can just think, yourself itself. No one can suggest me to doing the right way. Yeah.
right. And I have abundance work every day, but somehow I
Oh,
have to complete.
okay. Yeah.
So without doing hard work, no one will give you money, and you will not be given a single
Yes.
rupee,
Yes.
right?
Exactly, sir. You are right
You
perfectly.
don't see your face. You are white, you are
Yes.
black, but never know. Okay? You
Hmm.
are
Yeah.
known, we are as a known, we can say, as a working person. If you are working, then people will like you. If you are not working, the people will say, no, you are not good. Go from here.
You are not usable anyway. People thought like that.
So, Narayan,
Yeah.
have you decided to become anything in your life? Do you have any long time goal? When I talk to you, I ask to you, but you don't want to tell me. I think you are hiding something from.
No, actually, you are not even though asking for regarding this first question. This is a wonderful question. As you know, I will let you tell everything. But I don't know because money is everything for me. Surviving is for myself first of all. I know without money, I am not surviving myself. I am not justifying. I am not financially strong for myself. So if I get enough money to earning, so I will definitely start in business. I will do anything in my life. For if I get enough money to, I can start in business with staying in my hometown. So anyone can do, right? So with some money we can do. That's why we are here to surviving or to doing something or to achieving some knowledge or acquiring some business resources or platform. So that's you might be know about this.
So you have decided to open your own any business, like
Yes,
when
yes, yes. If I get
you
financially strong, yeah.
when you have money, then you will open your own business.
Yes, yes. I thought of that. I'm not sure about that, but how long will it take towards my careers or towards my business, starting a new business.
This is what I wanted to know from you, but I got it. Okay.
Yes. You also thought of might be differently. Yeah.
I have also dreamed to open my own business in my village
Yeah.
area.
Okay.
One businessman, I got, and he told me I am selling, suit, salwar, as well as you can say sari. Okay.
Oh my God. That means you have own shop, clothing, cloth shop. Like, yes, it's a good.
Suggested
Sir,
me,
you,
you
okay.
meet me, you come to my place. After that, I will give you, you know, so
Okay.
many clothes. After that, you can sell, in your village area.
Oh my
Okay.
God. Like we can do, so how can we deal with that, sir? Sir, I request you, we can, right now, we can enlarge your business where your family is staying in UP. So nowadays you can start your business to earning, to take their opportunity to grab something in their family, whoever there right now. Because you are alone, you are not judging for them. So because they are saying, they can start doing the business. It may help them.
See, I'm living in a village, totally village area. Okay.
Okay.
So, doing
Yes.
business in village area, it is so difficult. Teach.
Yes, but if you are in village also, you can start a small type of business. You can, take a shop, maybe in the rice shop, like daily house expenses shop. and like grocery shop, like biscuits, like the utensils,
What happened, Naran? Narayan? What
Yes,
happened?
someone called me, so that's why. No, someone called me, my friend. No, that's why I hang up the call. So that's why I know.
Uh, Suppose if your shop is in the market, after that
Yeah,
your shop will run very properly. Lots of
exactly. I got it.
you. But
Yes,
in your shop
yes.
in the village area, if your shop
Nobody
is
can. Yes,
okay,
nobody can. Purchase the things,
yeah,
the goods. Goods and service. No one can want to purchase it. Because
yeah,
nowadays, if people get mature, right? They can
very cheap.
depend to sell it. Yes.
Mhm. Whether you are selling very cheap, okay,
Yeah. Yes.
customer will not come.
Yeah.
Mhm. So our shop, should be in the market. Okay, after
Oh.
that we can, anything.
Yes, yes. Better than suppose you are from business, or you can purchase some place over in city, very nearby, you close to your hometown. Suppose you maybe in around 20 kilometers from your rural, the city among 20 or 30 kilometers beyond that. Okay. Suppose there, if you purchase some place, maybe something over that, because if you start, business, it's necessary for small room like 1 BHK, 2 BHK, how much like needed. Better than you can purchase the land or place. After that, you can start, like making a business. It should be good for your.
चलो फिर ये हम हाँ किसे क्या मार so one person has come and
Okay.
okay he
No
told
issue,
me
sir.
to help me
Okay, okay. Okay,
so
okay. Please go there. Yes, we can meet again. Yeah, sir. Okay.
definitely you will meet.
Okay. Okay, sir. No issue, sir. We will.
Okay, nice,
Okay, sir.
thank
Got
you.
it. Yeah, yeah.